my name is Jennali Leysens, and I recently graduated from Codaisseur's Full Stack Web Development Academy. And for my portfolio project, I made a recipe app called Yummy Start. And I created this app so that people who want to start eating healthily can find easy recipes that are not complicated. So on the app, you can filter recipes using the tags based on dietary requirements or preferences. And you can choose a meal type as well, like dinner, breakfast, and you can sort the recipes by how popular they are, so how many likes they have. And you can also sort by the cooking time, so by the shortest cooking time to the longest. So if you don't have a lot of time, you can find an easy recipe. You can also search for a recipe by ingredient. So by typing in spinach, it brings up these two recipes that have spinach in them. So let's create a new recipe on the app. So we need a title for our recipe, and then we need an image. So I use Cloudinary API to store the images. And then we need a description for our recipe, and we need 5 ingredients or less. Let's write out our method, and we have the cooking time, number of servings, and recipe tags. So here is our new recipe with all its details, and you can also delete the recipe from the user's profile.